So 3rd of July, I'm running a live online Renko Trading Masterclass. Whether you're new to Renko, used it before, been following me on the channel, or you've read my book, then this is for you, because it is not just me regurgitating my book that I launched a couple of months ago. You can see over my right shoulder now. This is taking the theory, the concepts, the ideas, and putting them into a practical trading space. You know, how do you get the block sizes, the repainting, the strategy, the stop loss, it all together, mold into one to formulate into a highly effective strategy. I'm going to take you through that, give you some strategy ideas as well, all in there, all in that live session. Now, really looking forward to this. All the links to join are in the description below, so I hope to see you all there. But in this video, I'm going to take you through how the session works and what you will actually be learning. Now, this is a limited masterclass, probably, depending on the uptake, be only running the one, maybe possibly two this year, maybe one towards the end of the year, only if this one works out. So like I said, it's a limited session, but I reckon it'll be great to give you that next step up in your Renko trading. So let's look into a bit more. Now, all the details for the event are on Eventbrite, and the link to that is, like I said, in the description below. But let's just take you through the landing page for the Renko Trading Masterclass. As you can see on the screen now, you just scroll your way down, you'll find the date and time. It's Thursday, 3rd of July, 2 till 6:30. Now, that is broken into two sessions. Let me explain that. You can find out from the schedule here. Now, part one is for standard and VIP ticket holders. Now, that covers the crunch of the session, all the main content. That's a 3-hour session from 2 till 5 p.m. Now, if you upgrade to the VIP tickets, then we've got a follow-on session at 5:30 to 6:30, which is a Q&A direct with me. All those questions that you might have had from the first session you want to individually ask, then you can do so. But on top of that, I've created a Telegram group as well that will stay open for a month after the event, where you can go away, try and apply some of those concepts, and then get back to me with your questions or problems or issues inside the Telegram group, and I'll get back to you and answer those and put you on the right path. So like I said, it's two sessions. The first one is all the main content. The second one is like a VIP follow-up service. You get the recordings of if you're on the standard ticket of the first session. If you're on the VIP, you get the recordings of both the first and the second sessions. Now, ticket price is £100 for the standard and $250 for the VIP. And the bonus, we've got a bonus for you as well. If you buy the tickets before June the 10th, then I'm drawing 3 lucky winners out the hat for the standard ticket. So if you bought a standard ticket June the 11th, I'm going to be putting my hand in the bucket and pulling out 3 tickets that will upgrade you to a VIP. And also, if you've bought yourself a VIP ticket, there's a bonus there as well. I'm going to pull out 1 lucky winner who will get a 1-to-1 session with me and a signed copy, a hardback signed copy of my new Renko Chart Trading Revolution book. So, some nice little bonuses there as well. So that's the basics of it. It's 2 parts over the time 2 till 6:30 on the Thursday afternoon. It's all online. Like I said, you get the recordings as well. So let's move into the content. Now, the content does look heavy from there, but what I wanted to do, or try to explain, is that it's all wrapped up in this practical context. Yeah, you find a lot of that in my book or on the YouTube channel, but I've pulled the theory out, the problems you have, the issues, the questions I get, and rolled it into one live session. using strategies that I've been playing around with and making money from as well. You'll get those too, you know, to take away and use and experiment with yourself. So the essence of this isn't, you know, heavy theory, although the content might look like that. It's actually taking all that stuff, ideas, thoughts, and rolling it into a really practical, hands-on session that I'm hoping that you can then go away and start, you know, Renko trading successfully. So that's, like I said, covering off, as you can see, the masterclass content there for the core session. Very thorough, you know, everything you need, and it's just more than the Renko actually. Before I move on, it's you know, how do you scale up the winners, the, you know, compounding, it's the portfolio, the trade management side that's just as equally as important, but on the practical side, how do you really do it? This is what the session is all about. And then, like I said, the VIP part 2, you've got the Q&A with me where I, you know, dispel some other tips, analysis, you know, real market refinement. You'll answer your questions, and like I said, that Telegram group there for a month afterwards as well. And like I said, who's this for? I mentioned it in the beginning. It's if you've got no Renko experience, you've been using Renko before, you've just been following me on the channel, or you've got my book. It's for anyone. It's going to show you how to actually apply it in practice. So what do you need to do next? Like it says there, get your ticket before June the 10th to get into the bonus pool, whether it's standard or VIP, and then you're ready, set to go Thursday, July the 3rd to 2 p.m. So I really hope to see you all there. So lastly, before I go, don't forget all the links to join the masterclass are in the description below this, and please do feel free to reach out if you've got any questions. You want further information about the masterclass, you know, contact details again in the description below this. So thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell notification buttons to receive future, you know, Renko or trading content I'm going to produce on the channel. Lots of exciting stuff coming out there. Hope to see you on the course, but if you want to learn more about my book or more about Renko, I've got a couple of videos, links coming up for you right now.